Welcome to Spyder Auto LED Tail Light Installation Guide for the 2003 to 2016 Chevy Silverado. Check out how the Spyder LED tail light changes the look of your vehicle. Here are tools needed to prepare for the installation. Phillips screwdriver. Open the tailgate and let's begin. Remove 2 Phillips screws holding factory tail light assembly. Unseat factory tail light. Unseat factory tail light sockets. Unseat factory reverse light socket. Unseat factory turn signal light socket. Unseat factory brake light socket. Remove brake light bulb. Remove turn signal light bulb. Locate Spyder LED tail light. Seat reverse light socket. Connect turn signal light socket. Connect brake light socket. Seat brake light socket. Seat turn signal light socket. Seat Spyder LED tail light assembly in place. Reinstall 2 Phillips screws in place, securing the Spyder LED tail light. Repeat same steps for the other side. Close the tailgate and the installation completed. Congratulations, you have just installed your Spyder Auto LED tail light for your 2003 to 2016 Chevy Silverado. Please make sure to check all electrical connections and light functions before take your vehicle back on the road. Thank you for choosing Spyder Auto installation video to assist you. For more products and information, please visit www.spyderauto.com.